Follow the steps on how to create a gradient infinity background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. This is the artboard size that I use, you can follow it. Press M and create a black rectangle. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Create a circle with size 200. Change the stroke to white. Press A, select this section, and delete. Change the stroke thickness to 200. Open the gradient panel. Set the stroke to above. And click Gradient. Click the icon in the middle. Change this point to black. And here too. Add a new color in the middle. Set location at 50%. Press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to paste in front. Flip the object. Set the position to be like this. Press P and draw connecting lines like this. Select and rotate 45 degrees. Right-click, transform and select Reset Bounding Box. Set to center. Finished. You can change the stroke thickness to get other results. Okay. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.